يا لغتي عربية حسبي بأنك منطقي.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are good. I'm here today in town, Birmingham city centre. So I'm about to show you around ground centre. So they built this place recently. So this was the old Palisade. Now they changed the name to Grand Centre. It's been raining, so it's Monday afternoon time. It's about 3 o'clock p.m. and it's been raining heavy. So the trams are there. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for your love and support. I appreciate that. So I've been here. So there's a lot of changes happened to this old Grand Centre. We used to call it the Palisade back in the days. So it's been here up to a long time. So I say, I might as well show you around what's going on. So it's been alright today. A bit quieter. So it's been quite massive, they've changed quite a few things, bits and pieces. So, because I haven't been here ages ago. So this is more. So this is the inside of Ground Centre. It's got the bull in the ground center. So a lot of people have been around here. You got the cafes, restaurants, juice places. So here you got everything, in this place. Let me do the bull fire. A lot of people, and this is new building they built recently.
It's so funny.
So you got the dessert shop, ice creams, mobile, and it's all open. So you got the MC makeup. So if you go down, you got the old trains. So that's the train stations where you could take a trains in. You got the bus and taxi service right there in the green zone platform 6A to 12A. And you got the lunch room in there for the customer to sit around here, wait for the trains or do a shopping, whatever you can. So you got everything here basically. And it's a grand center. And guys, if you do like this video, please do give me a thumb, like, share and subscribe to Watch Blog YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, now, goodbye.
يا